Today, I'm letting you into the secrets of a soup that makes the taste bugs dance. The legendary Ogbono soup, rich, hearty, and so Nigerian. Stay with me because by the end, you will know why no Sunday lunch table is complete without it. We'll begin by seasoning our meat, a sprinkle of salt, a touch of seasoning cube. This is where the magic starts because in Ogbono soup, the foundation is flavor and the meat stock is the heartbeat. In goes the pepper, generous spoon of crayfish, and that flavorful stock. You can smell it already. This is what gives Ogbono its bold, earthly personality. Now, the star of the show, the Ogbono seeds, grinded into powder and melted in palm oil. Watch as it transforms, thickening, stretching, pulling. Every stir is a perfect goodness. We bring all together with vegetables, letting the soup shine, loves you rich, comforting. This kind of soup that hugs your soul with every spoonful. And there you have it, the perfect Ogbono. Best enjoy with pounded yam, eba, or even rice if you feel adventurous. If you love this recipe, don't forget to watch my other recipes, like this video, share it with your foodie friends, and subscribe for more delicious moments straight from my kitchen. Thank you, and see you in my next video.